ba hek menteri penroi ki kam rijingri ula Pynher ya Lama kari India bat ula shim ya rashtriya salute ha ka parade balayalam de ki khna school ka JNV Mukhla hamadan Risa Lane Jowai hado arpo kinhon ki khna school ki Bharat Scouts and Guides ki pertan pulet bat NCC kila shim benta ha ka parade kat bai ki tablos lepani inam de ki khat santali ki tanak trekam jang sarkar ki badan Hawes Janta Hills district Lai tali school kilayo ika busket na ka jing tibet jangki banyat rinti ha ka parit kita kilong ka JNV ka St. Mary's Mazarelo bat ka Jowai Government Boys High Secondary School. Ha ka jing pinam tablo kita nak kilayo busket kilong ka District Horticulture, Commerce and Industry Center bat ka Soil and Water Conservation. La ay kusnamru ika PHC sa Asnyang Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme bat ka Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Arogya Yojana ya ki jing pa jang ki la ki kam ki jam ki pulet ki balayo busket hakani ki sngi kilong havildar amplia sinna bat arki nikla na ki jing 3 minute jang ki halaki kam ki jam ya kani ki sngi republic lapan phopen pieng de ki jing shot bat jing rwai babunjat ban pen kemen ni ki samla bat ki khnarit hakani ki nong ba district lapan kut ikni ki sngi de ki jing le kai football hamadan kyang nang ba la thalabo happening ke Sabah Muswang SC Persha Eka Football Academy of Meghalaya.
And the next contingent we have India Higher Secondary School Jowai with a combined 3 pointers west. Give round of applause for India Higher Secondary School by contingent. Next we have HKC Memorial Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Miss Neha Kasai. Give round of applause for the contingent of HKC Memorial Secondary School Jowai. Next contingent we have Secondary School Mukhla, commanded by Master VP Mayang. So huge round of applause for Secondary School. Following JNV Mukhla we have Kiam Namba Government Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Master Peit. A huge round of applause for Kiam Namba Government Higher Secondary School Jowai. Next we have Now we have Mandatory Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Dr. Saino Gami.
After the Mandatory High Secondary School Jowai, we have the next contingent, that is the
It gives me immense pleasure to extend my heartfelt greetings to you on the momentous occasions of India's 75th Republic Day. On this auspicious day, we reaffirm our commitment to the ideals enshrined in our constitutions and pay solemn tribute to the leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We also salute the patriots from our own side, Utirat Singh, Ukyang Nongwa, Patogen and Sangma, and others unsung heroes. We respectfully remember the martyrs from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and police forces who have laid down their life in protecting the rules of law. During the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. We made significant in resolving the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. In historic development of life-size statue Utirat Singh will be unveiled on 16 February 2024 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. A high-level delegation led by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and comprising of senior cabinet ministers, senior officials, traditional heads, academics, artists, civil society members, and journalists will be representing Meghalaya at the inaugurations. Meghalaya was honored to host the maiden visit of our Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Earlier in January, the Honorable President attended the civic receptions at Tura, Baljek and Moklang, during which she opened the 5th edition of the Meghalaya Game and interacted with the members of the Women of Self-Help Group. The Honorable President has also laid a foundation stone for a number of crucial infrastructure projects like the Shillong Peak Roadway, the Tura Integrated Administrative Complex, the village tourist accommodations. She also inaugurated a newly upgraded Rongjeng Mangsang Adogre Road and Mairang Rani Godown Ajara Road. The government operationalized the Rajbhan at Tura, which was inaugurated by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Babu Chauhan, on 12 January. Situated within a sprawling of 28.45 acres plot and constructed at a cost of 24 crores rupees. The new Rajbhan is fulfillment the long-time aspirations of the people of Garo Hills. State GDP to achieve this government is preparing a growth strategies for all sectors and mobilizing investment. Infrastructure like roads, water supply, power and IT are going to be the key drivers of the growth in the states. The government envisions building 1,600 kilometers of new roads, upgrading close to 6,000 kilometers of existing roads, and converting 7.5 kilometers of timber bridges to the permanent bridges over the next 5 years. Unconnected inhabitations will also be connected with all weather roads under the CM Rural Connectivity Program. When the Jal Jeevan Mission started in 2019, Meghalaya had fewer than 4,550 functional tap connections. Today, we have provided clean drinking water to more than 4.7 lakhs households across the states, a coverage of 73.2%, which is at the national level average. The target is also to cover 6.5 lakhs rural households with tap water connections at the earliest. A detailed plan to protect about 4,000 water sources is also being made to ensure the sustainability. Providing the uninterrupted power supply to every household in the state is among the top priorities of the government. To that end, the Canal Hydro project was completed in August 2023. Currently, 24 new state substations are being constructed and 48 existing substations are being renovated under the Meghalaya Power Distribution Sector Improvement Project. With the support of the Asian Development Bank, the revamped distribution sector scheme is also being implemented to improve the efficiency and financially sustainability of Meghalaya's power distribution system. It aims to create another 3,000 direct and 9,000 indirect new jobs. An ambitious project for building tech park at Tura at a cost of 125 crore rupees is in the pipeline. The tourism and IT sector are expected to generate about 1.5 lakh jobs in the next 5 years. Have been supported and more than 63 crore rupees have been disbursed and as interest-free loans. Currently, there are 100 dairy cooperative societies in the state involving almost 1,000 members. Another 100 dairies cooperative societies with 1,500 producers members are about to be set up. The government aims to increase fish production of 10,000 metric tons. For these and additional water area, 2,000 hectares will be brought under fish culture. 15,000 fish farmers will be trained. Agriculture and animal husbandry are expected to be generate 3 lakhs livelihood opportunity in the next 5 years. Several schemes which will be both facilitate tourism and generate livelihood opportunities are being implemented. One such scheme is Meghalaya Tourism Homestay Scheme, under which a subsidy of ₹7 lakhs being provided to tourism entrepreneurs for developing tourist accommodation, restaurant and craft emporiums. The scheme has been availed by almost 320 entrepreneurs since inception. A large number of tour operators in Shillong and Tura have been benefited from the prime luxury tourism vehicle scheme. Under the scheme, 50% subsidy on cost of luxury vehicle are being provided.
The society is hopeful to train 1.2 lakhs youth in the next 5 years under the 3 domains of skilling, livelihood and entrepreneurship. This program has allowed people to access training in demand-driven sectors for which employment, etc. The third tableau approaching the dais is from the district research. The next tableau is from the office of the district project management unit, DMPU CIS LMP Jowai.
Prisoners who are engaged and participated in vocational training through bank account. District Prison and Correctional Home Jowai is giving vocational training on the following trades: job, sections and carpentry sections. Instructions like living conditions, other activities of prisoners are taken care from time to time so as to improve prison conditions in the elderly. They are stored by the BBC as a whole. Well, the idea is we have more than 200 people training and producing about 7 metric tons of honey. However, this prison production could not meet the market demand since already unique due to the presence of indigenous fluoride or beekeeping or agriculture. The scientific method of breeding is for its conservation and high quality food, namely royal jelly and full products such as peanuts, honey, venom, and proper. Pollination is essential for the maintenance of plant biodiversity, the survival of our ecosystem. These are the best pollinating agents that pollinate about 1/3 of the world's crops, 90% of the world's flowering plants.
second prize in the Much Pass competition goes to St. Mary Magzarello Girls Higher Secondary School.